Have you ever wanted to grow fresh eggplants at home but thought you needed a large garden? The good news is, you can grow beautiful, healthy eggplants even if you only have a small balcony, rooftop, or small outdoor space. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to grow eggplants in a bucket. From choosing the right container and soil, planting the seeds, feeding the plant, and harvesting large, delicious eggplants. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what your eggplant plant needs to produce a great harvest. The first step is choosing the right bucket. Eggplants develop a strong root system, so the container must be large enough. Choose a bucket that is at least 15 to 20 liters in size. A bigger bucket will always give better results because the roots have more space to grow. Make sure the bucket has drainage holes at the bottom. Good drainage is very important because eggplant roots do not like sitting in water. If you are recycling an old bucket, wash it properly before using it. Avoid using containers that previously held harmful chemicals. The secret to healthy eggplants starts with the soil. Eggplants love rich, fertile, and well-draining soil. A good mixture is 1 part garden soil, 1 part compost, and 1 part organic material such as cocoa peat or aged manure. The compost provides nutrients, the soil gives support, and the organic material helps keep the mixture loose so the roots can breathe. Before planting, mix everything together until the soil becomes dark, soft, and crumbly. Healthy soil creates healthy roots, and healthy roots produce better fruits. You can grow eggplants from seeds or from young seedlings. If you are using seeds, plant them about ½ an inch deep and keep the soil slightly moist. Seeds usually take several days to germinate. For faster results, many gardeners prefer using healthy seedlings. Create a small hole in the center of the bucket. Place the seedling carefully, and cover the roots with soil. Press gently around the plant to remove air pockets. After planting, water the soil slowly until you see a little water coming from the drainage holes. Eggplants are sun-loving plants. They need plenty of sunlight to grow strong and produce fruits. Place your bucket where the plant can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. If the plant does not receive enough light, it may grow tall and weak, with fewer flowers and fewer fruits. A sunny balcony, rooftop, patio, or open garden area can work perfectly. Watering is one of the most important parts of growing eggplants in containers. Because buckets dry out faster than garden soil, check your plant regularly. Water when the top layer of soil feels slightly dry. Keep the soil moist, but avoid making it waterlogged. During hot weather, your plant may need more frequent watering. The best time to water is usually early morning or late afternoon because this reduces water loss and helps the plant absorb moisture properly. To produce large and healthy eggplants, your plant needs regular feeding. About 3 to 4 weeks after planting, add compost around the base of the plant. You can also use organic fertilizers such as well-rotted manure, compost tea, or balanced vegetable fertilizer. When the plant begins flowering, it needs nutrients that support flower development and fruit production. Avoid adding too much fertilizer because excessive nutrients can cause many leaves but fewer fruits. A balanced feeding routine will help your plant stay healthy throughout the growing season. As eggplants grow bigger, their branches become heavy, especially when fruits begin forming. Use a small stake or support stick to keep the plant upright. This prevents branches from breaking and keeps fruits away from the soil. Remove yellow leaves and damaged parts regularly to improve airflow around the plant. Many beginners face problems when growing eggplants, but most problems have simple solutions. If your plant has many leaves but no fruits, it may need more sunlight or the right nutrients. If leaves turn yellow, check your watering. Too much water can damage the roots. Watch for insects that may attack the leaves. Inspect your plant regularly and remove problems early. A healthy plant starts with good soil, enough sunlight, proper watering, and regular care. After weeks of care, your eggplants will be ready for harvesting. Pick the fruits when they are firm, shiny, and have reached a good size. Do not wait too long because overripe eggplants can become tough and lose quality. Use a clean knife or scissors to cut the fruit while leaving a small part of the stem attached. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more fruits. Growing eggplants in a bucket is simple, affordable, and rewarding. With the right container, good soil, sunlight, water, and care, anyone can enjoy fresh homegrown vegetables. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more simple gardening tips and share this video with someone who wants to grow vegetables at home. Start small, keep caring for your plants, and you will be surprised by what you can grow.